Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S4 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, go into apps. Now you need to select calendar by clicking on it. In this case, S Planner. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one, and when you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add a title, pick location, choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on all day. You can also set up a reminder. I will go with 3 hours before. Then choose view more options and customize your event even more. When you're done, click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it by holding it, tapping on delete, and confirming your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!